everyone. Okay, who will lead the prayer? Everyone please stand.
Tayo po yung muko at manalangin. Panginoong Diyos, salamat po sa araw na to na iyong pinagkaloob, Panginoon. Gabayan niyo po kami at bigyan niyo po kami ng sapat na talino, Panginoon Diyos, upang maunawaan namin ang aming mga lesson, Panginoon. Kayo po ang siyang maging protection, Panginoon, sa araw-araw na aming ginagawa, Panginoon. Ito po ang aming dinangin sa matamis sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Okay, good morning everyone. Ready na ba kayo for our lesson for today?
Yes, sir!
Para bago ang lahat, mag-energizer muna tayo. Alam niyo ba yung paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo?
Opo!
Sabay-sabay natin siyang gagawin. In 3, 2, 1, go! Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo. Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo. Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo. Magpalakpak tayo. Okay, you may take your seat now.
Thank you, sir!
Okay, before we proceed to the main topic, let's have a game called 4 Picks, 1 Word. So, everyone naman sa inyo is familiar to this game. So, let's start. Our first item is, you have 5 seconds to, yes?
Solid. Set.
Okay, thank you. Titignan natin kung tama yung sagot niya. Solid. Give him a round of applause. Our next item is, yan. Madali lang yan. Check, alam nyo na yan eh. 5. Oh, yes, Paula May.
Liquid.
Let's check kung liquid talaga. Okay, very good. Good answer. And the last one is, yan. Who can guess that? Yes?
Gas.
Let's check if it's gas. Yes, it's gas. So, ayan, may preview na kayo. Sino yung may idea about our main topic? Yes, Saula May.
It's about the 3 phases of matter.
3 phases of matter. Let's check. Okay. Our topic for today is, yeah, you're right, the 3 phases of matter. But first, let us talk about what is matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. All physical objects are composed of matter. And an easily observed property of matter by its state or phase. An example of matter is lahat na nakikita nyo sa Earth na may space between them and mass is, we can call them matter. So, let's proceed to the main topic, which is the 3 phases of matter. Will you please read, Vicar May?
The 3 fundamental phases of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has defined shape and volume. Liquid has a definite volume but take the shape of the container. Gas has no definite shape or volume.
So, let's elaborate them one by one. So, our first in line is solid. So, Miss Paula May, will you please, what is solid?
In a solid, these particles are packed closely together and are not free to move about within the substance. Molecular motion for the particles in a solid is confined to very small vibrations of the atoms around their fixed position. Therefore, solid fixed shape that is difficult to change.
Thank you, Miss Paula May. So, when we say solid, these particles are packed or intact together. So, kahit ano man yung gawin natin is mahihirapan tayo baguhin yung shape nila. So, example of solids are hollow blocks, gold bars, stones or rock, woods, and ice cream. So, solid are divided into 2 main categories, which is crystalline solid. Crystalline solid are true solids, and mineral also is a crystalline solid. The common example of crystalline solid is table salt. The second one is amorphous solid. solid without any form. So, kaya siya tinawag na pseudo-solid means walang definite shape. Mabago-bago siya depende sa temperature ng paligid. Ang example naman ng amorphous solid is yung 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 puno na pinutol tapos ginawa siyang table. So the next in line is liquid. Anyone will you please read what is liquid?
A liquid is a nearly incompressible fluid that conforms to the shape of its container but retains a nearly constant volume independent pressure. A liquid is made up of tiny vibrating particles of matter, such as atoms, held together by intermolecular bonds. Most liquid resist compressions, although other can be compressed.
So, when we say liquid, dumidepende lang siya sa container na paglalagyan mo. And this volume is constant. Hindi siya nagbabago. Kung yung solid is, hindi natin kayang baguhin yung shape niya or i-deform, ito namang liquid is, kaya natin siyang baguhin depending on its container. Example nito is, ayan, ocean. Kung gaano kalawak yung ocean, doon lang din dumidepende yung dami ng tubig or yung shape niya. The next one is, glass full of water. So, ang shape na is, syempre, ikakopy niya yung shape ng glass. Drop of water, meron diyang yung cocoa or hot chocolates, bathtub, fresh water, soup, sink water, melted snow, and other, etc. The next one is gas, o yung pinakamalayang phases ng matter. So, anyone, will you please read what is gas? Yes, Paula?
Gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Gases have lower density than other state of matter, such as solid and liquid. There is a great deal of empty space between particles which have a lot of kinetic energy. The particles move very fast, collide into one another, causing them to diffuse or spread out until they are evenly distributed throughout the volume of container.
So, in three phases of matter, gas ang pinakamalaya sa kanilang lahat dahil malaya silang nagpapagala-gala sa ating atmosphere. And did you know that gas has no fixed shape and no fixed volume? Example of these are the LPG tanks, balloons, the smoke from dry ice, another example is, di ba, pag nagpapakulo ka ng tubig, yung evaporation na nagaganap doon is, yung liquid nagta-turn into gas. So, let's move on to the next topic, which is the physical and chemical changes. From solid to liquid. The example of this is ice cubes. Yun. Kanino yung ice? So, pag natunaw na yung ice, it turns to water, which is solid to liquid. The next one is chocolate. So, alam niyo naman na we can say that chocolate is pseudo-solid kasi it depends on the temperature. So, dahil sa mainit na panahon, natunaw yung chocolates. Same with ice and ice cream. So, they can change through temperature. The next one is liquid to gas. The best example nito is yung, boiling of water. Habang nagbo-boil ka ng water, yung evaporation na lumalabas doon is turning into gas. Liquid to solid. Best example din dito is yung ice. Kasi nga, pag freezer mo yung tubig, it turns to solid or magiging yellow. And gas to solid. Hindi ako familiar dito pero ngayon ko lang siya marinig. Yung gas turn to solid. Ang tawag sa kanya is the sublimation. When we say the sublimation, ito yung pagiging solid ng isang bagay na hindi dumadaan sa form ng liquid. So, ito yung, for example nito is, di ba sa ibang lugar umuulan ng snow. So, yung ibang gas doon is nagiging turned into solid sa mga bintana nila. Usually ito makikita, or yung mga hamog na nagiging yellow. So, gas to liquid. Best example of this is condensation. So, ito yung makikita nyo steam usually sa banyo. Yung pag gumamit kayo ng mga hot bath, ganun, hot water sa pagliligo nyo. That would be all. Thank you guys for listening. May natutunan naman ba kayo?
Yes po.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question regarding to the topic we discussed earlier?
Wala po.
Nan.
Okay. So, kung wala kayong tanong, ako meron. First question. So, it has definite shape and volume. What's the answer?
Solid.
Okay, very good. So, the next question is the state of matter with no fixed volume and no fixed shape.
Gas.
Very good. The third question is the shape of this is depends on the container. What's the answer?
Liquid.
Okay, very good. For the fourth question, these are regarded as true solid.
Crystalline solid.
Okay, very good. So for the last question, it is literally solid without any form. What's the answer?
Amorphous solid.
Okay, very good. Give yourself a principal's clap. Tutulong mo na sa inyo. Ganito yun. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ano yun? So, gets na?
Yes po.
Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ano yun?
So, that would be all. Thank you, guys.